Yeah, hopefully you have finished Unit 2 and you're ready to move on to Unit 3. I have changed up the course calendar a little bit. And I knew I probably would. I'm transitioning this class from a face-to-face class to an online class. I knew there would be some juggling, but it won't affect you in any way. I think in fact it will make your life a little bit easier the way I'm changing things around. But anyhow, in Unit 3, we're going to be studying the respiratory system, the hazards that affect the respiratory system, diseases that can develop, and control measures that employers can use to protect their workers. That's the topic that's covered in Unit 3. As far as activities, you need to read Chapter 2. There's also a study guide with questions that can be answered from material in Chapter 2. Now, there is some overlap between the study guide questions and what I cover in the video lectures, but the intent for the study guide is that you'll get those answers for the study guide questions from Chapter 2. Then we have 5 video lectures, starting with respiratory system anatomy and physiology, mechanisms of injury and or disease. How is a respiratory system injured? How are humans in general injured by these airborne hazards that we come into contact with in the workplace? Then in the third lecture, I'm going to focus on some common airborne respiratory hazards like silica and carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and several others. Unit 4, or Video 4 I should say, we're going to talk about some specific diseases and disorders that can result from exposure to contaminants, toxins in the workplace. Then the last video, it's going to be a fairly short video, just an introduction to the different types of control strategies, control measures that can be used to protect workers. In their respiratory system, protect their respiratory system from the airborne hazards that can be found in the workplace. Then the last activity will be the unit quiz. And just like the other unit quizzes, the questions will be based upon the study guide questions, could also be based on pretty much anything from the video lectures. So watch the video lectures, take the notes, complete the study guide questions. Then when you're ready to take the quiz, you can use your lecture notes, you can use the completed study guide to help you answer the questions on the quiz. The quiz will be worth 50 points for Unit 3. Let me know if you have any questions.